Hi, I'm Anu Rao, the co-founder of Salt for Cooking. Let me take you through what you need to create your own cooking videos. The first thing you need to begin creating your cooking video are the right tools. 1. The phone camera. Number 2. See if you can get some good lighting equipment. 3. A sturdy tripod stand to hold the phone when your hands are busy cooking. 4. Make sure the volume button on your phone is on full. And 5. A really good video editing app like a UCut or InShot or anything that you like to edit and trim your videos to be contained within 2 minutes. The next step is to record. But before that, keep all the ingredients you're going to use ready. Keep the tools that you're going to use like the pots, the spatula, the spoon, all of that ready as well. To begin recording, first set up your phone on the stand. So you get a sturdy, non-shaking shot of the food you're cooking. Get on to the video app, open the video setup and press the record button. As you cook, whenever you need to stop and wait till the next process, use the pause button. So when you record a pause and a record alternatively, the videos are more compressed and the flow is better. Once your food is ready, transfer them into serving bowls or serving trays, decorate it and keep it ready to shoot as a final product. Remember, whatever looks appetizing will draw more interest. Now, as the 5th step, speak the introduction and show the final product so that people who view your videos will know what you're making and how it looks when it's made. Keep the voiceover clear and slow. You can choose to include cooking sounds or mute it later. You can also give supers or text when you're editing your video. And that, my dear friends, is the easiest way to be a fantastic salt chef, all in just 2 minutes. #CookYourFame.